Wow. It's absolutely huge. Right, so if you look at the floors, you can kind of see what we're up against. This bathroom area. So what I didn't realise was there's actually a basement area I didn't record before. So I'm just going to go down into this basement area and have a look. So that's more work we've got to do. Wow. Wow. It's absolutely huge. Right, so if you look at the floors, you can kind of see what we're up against. This bathroom area. Sink, wet room, walk-in shower, look at the floors. This is what we're up against here. There's plaster all over the floors. It's an absolutely huge area, huge fireplace. Look at the size of this fireplace. Massive area I didn't realise was here. I'm glad we found this before we left because I wouldn't have wanted to find out after we've done everything. So yeah. Okay. I don't think we have to mess with this area here. This is the garage. Lots of rubbish and building materials and equipment. But yes, if I stand at the edge of this room, you can kind of see how big this area is and just what the floor's like. Absolutely huge. And the floor's an absolute mess, covered in plaster. And then we've got a boiler room. If you look at the floor, covered in dust. Got more of an area here. Not sure what this is going to be. But if you look at the floor, that's what it was. It's absolutely huge, this property. Walk through here. We've got as a wine cellar. You see the rack in there for the wine. It's all floor, all covered in dust. Wow, this is a huge job. Back through into the electrical and boiler area. Boiler. And back through into the basement area. Wow. Huge job, huge property, lots of work. This is CFS Cleaning Services. After renovation, build, cleaning, and back here in the basement, absolutely huge job. Lots of splatter, lots of paint splatter, lots of plaster splatter. We've got all this floor to clean. If you can see it, just stick the lights on here. Huge area. All these tiles along the wall. All along here, completely covered in dust, bits of splatter plaster, and paint. So we've done all this floor here, managed to get a bit of a shine on it. All this fireplace, absolutely huge fireplace, look at that, beautiful tiling. So yeah, we've done all this tiling, gave that a clean, got rid of the splatter. In the bathroom, it's like bathroom area, all the floor, paint splatter off the floor, give it a good clean. The glass is nice and pristine there. Sinks, chrome stuff, all done. So yeah, that's another room down here in the basement. Absolutely huge area. And to be fair, if we were back in the UK, we would have got a team on this. We'd have got about 4 people at least on this. There's only been 2 of us doing this, so that's been a lot of work. But we've got it done. So yeah, we've had to do all these tiles on the floor. Workmen have been in here and kind of completely destroyed our work, as you can see. All the way along here, all the way through. That's what the workmen have been doing. That's what's brought them in here, chocolate all over our clean floors. There you go, lots of workers in here at the minute. So if you hear any noise, that's gardeners and other workers coming in. So we've had all these tiles to do, complete tiling all the way around the walls. We've had to clean this window area here, all through here, lots and lots of tiles. Another room here, tiling the floor, all the walls, water ceiling tiling all over down here, so a lot of work. We've managed to get it done between 2 of us. So yeah, lots of tiling, lots of floor tiles to clean, lots of wall tiles to clean. We've managed to get it done. And also more tiles up these stairs here. All the wall, absolutely beautiful tiles these. The design on that, lovely tiling. So yeah, we've cleaned all that, all the stairs as well. Moving up to the ground floor. My wife's just doing this hallway before we leave. Right, let's go in here. All the double door windows, pristine. Floors, hoovered, mopped, all the plaster and paint splatter off the floors. Bathroom area. Look at this beautiful bathroom. Look at the beautiful tile. Lovely. So yeah, all the tiling done. Again, floor to ceiling tiles. We've managed to get them all cleaned up. A little bit shiny on there. Sinks, chromes, all nice and shiny and gleaming. Lovely gleaming bath there for that. Yeah, so a lot of work. Good job. Beautiful house. Absolutely huge. We would have had a team on this for sure. But there's been only 2 of us, but we've managed to do well and get things sorted out. So yeah, there you go, look. Windows nicely polished up. Right, let's move on. Small little toilet area here. Got the sink there polished up nicely. Toilet area, floor, paint splatters and plaster splatters off the floor. Quickly move on. Huge living room area. Double doors. Nice gleaming shiny windows there. Again here. Floor area. hoovered, mopped. Any paint splatters or plaster splatters we've got up off the floor. Beautiful, another beautiful fireplace, look at that. Beautiful that. Double door there. Moving through to the kitchen. The sides cleaned out, buffed up, sink cleaned out. Windows again all buffed up and gleaming. Cupboards all done. And the inside all cleaned out, wiped down, disinfected. Another one. So yeah, good job. Let's move on to the upstairs area. Wooden banister there that we've had to clean up, polish up, get paint off. The stairs. Bedroom area. Door to the outside patio. Polished glass. Polished glass and the windows. Floors again, hoovered, mopped, and any paint splatters or plaster splatters taken up off the floor. Double doors, shined up. Moving on to the ensuite. Lovely little bathroom area here, double sink. Nice and shined up there. Taps, showers, shower head. Glass all done nicely. Nice shiny bath. Toilet. The tiles. The plaster off the tiles. As you know, with builders cleans you get a thin layer of plaster dust just about over everything. So it makes the job quite a difficult one. But we've done quite well on this one for two of us. Double door there, moving into this other bedroom, through the ensuite. Feel ready for laying. Right. Doors, patio area. Nice and done, pristine. Another little room here. Door all cleaned up, a little area, storage space, right back there, so we've got all that done. The window shined up, nice and pristine. Okay, that's about it. Absolutely huge job, but we managed to get it done. All the areas, all windows shined up and polished up, all the floors hoovered, all the floors hoovered, mopped, and any paint splatters or plaster splatters taken up, including on the doors, handles, door frames, window frames. All the tiles downstairs through the basement. Really good job. And that concludes this video. CSS Cleaning Services, After Builders Clean, Alcobaça, Portugal. Catch you in the next one. Oh, before I forget, there's another little area we've done. So if we move out into the back area, see that pool over there? Workmen dotted around doing a little bit of work. Right, what we've got here is a little guest house. We've done all the door here, polished it up. Floor, we've got a little paint splatter, plaster splatter, room here, floor done, loads of plaster splatter and dust, all the windows polished up, gleaming, cupboard areas, the side here was completely full of dust. Managed to get that all sorted out, cleaned. Stick the dust in here. Managed to sort that out. And then nice tidy little bathroom area here. Sink, shower unit, all polished up and gleaming. If you can see across that there. Nice and polished. Windows, tiles, all the dust we've got off. A little bit of a shine on there. So yeah, guest house, that's also another bit we had to do. So that's all done.